Class 7 Triangles. Construction of triangles. A triangle can be constructed in any of the following three situations. In that, case 1 is SSS, that is side, side and side construction. Step 1. Draw PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So let us take a ruler and draw 3.5 centimeter and let us name it as P and Q. Second step is, with P as center, draw arc P with radius 4.5 centimeter. So let us take a ruler and compass and let us take a measure of 4.5 centimeter in the compass. And now, keeping the point at P, let us draw one arc. And next step is, with Q as center, draw an arc with radius 5.5 centimeter. So let us take the ruler and let us take the measure 5.5 centimeter in the compass. Now by keeping it at point Q, let us draw another arc. And here we have obtained an intersection point. First let us join a line from P and Q towards the intersection point and let us name that point as R. R. So we have constructed triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter and PR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Case 2 SAS, that is side angle and side construction. In the previous construction we have seen that the measure of three sides were given. So in this construction, the measure of two sides and one angle is given, where we have to first draw PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter. After that we have to construct angle XPO at 120 degree. So let us take a compass, and we know with the help of compass how to construct 120 degree angle. We will take the measure in our compass which is less than half of the line segment, and we will draw a semicircle arc. Now keeping it there, we are going to mark one arc, and we know that this arc is of 60 degree angle, and by keeping on 60 degree angle we'll draw another arc. That arc is of 120 degree angle. Now we will draw 120 degree angle. Next, with P as center, draw an arc with radius 3 centimeter that intersect PX at point R. So let us take a ruler and measure 3 centimeter in the compass. Now keeping it at point P, we'll draw one arc and let us name that as R. Now let us join R and Q. Connect the points R and Q with line segment RQ. So now we have obtained a triangle PQR where the line segment PQ is equal to 3.5 cm, PR is equal to 3 cm, and angle RPQ is equal to 120 degrees. Now case 3, ASA, that is angle side angle. Here the measure of two angle and one side will be given. Step 1, draw PQ is equal to 4.5 cm. Then we have to construct an angle XPO is equal to 30 degree and angle PQY is equal to 45 degree. So for that, we will take the compass and first we are going to draw a semicircle arc. We will make sure that the distance which we are taking, that is less than half. So as on both the points we have to draw an angle, so we are going to make semicircle arc on both the points. Now on point P we have to construct 30 degree angle. So first I am going to construct 60 degree angle from the compass, and if I am going to bisect this, then definitely I am going to get 30 degree. So by keeping it at one point, I am going to draw an arc, and I am going to keep the point at 60 degree arc, and I am going to draw another arc. So we have bisected 60 degree. So bisection itself means dividing a measure into two equal parts. So 60 degree is being divided into 30 and 30 degree in two parts. Now after that, as we have to construct 45 degree at point Q, 45 degree angle at point Q. So let us take the compass make sure the distance is same. Okay, now let us draw 160 degree arc, then 120 degree arc we will draw. The purpose of drawing 60 and 120 degree arc is, if we are going to bisect, we are going to get 90 degree. Okay, and the purpose of constructing 90 degree is, if we are going to again bisect the 90 degree, we will get 45 degree. So first we are going to construct 90 degree. So for that, by keeping it at one point, we are going to draw one arc. I am using a different color. And by keeping it at another point, we will draw another arc. So we will get a point of intersection. So from point Q, we are going to draw a straight line. Children, you all should draw dotted lines from your pencil. Now if we will bisect this, as this is 90 degree, if we are going to bisect 90 degree in two equal parts, it will be 45 and 45. So for bisecting, this is the distance. So we will take more than that, and we will draw one arc by keeping it at one point, and by keeping it at on 90 degree, we are going to draw another arc. And let us join Q to the, okay, let us extend Q. So we have obtained 45 degree angle, and the intersection which we have got, let us name that as R. So here we have constructed triangle PQR, where angle P is equal to 30 degree, angle Q is equal to 45 degree, and segment PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter.
Thank you.